Hey guys, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I want to share with you this amazing website by the name of Vidnose that allows you to create some amazing things with AI. And in this video we're going to focus on text to video, right? So if you're looking for a free tool that can allow you to create some amazing video with your text, then you want to check out Vidnose. So head over to vidnose.com guys and check from the many options here, free AI tools. Choose AI text to video, and from here you want to simply go ahead, enter your prompt. You can enter up to 2000 characters here, and you want to go ahead and just basically click generate afterwards. Now I'm going to keep it simple: a party boat on the sea with an amazing sunset in Ibiza. So let me go ahead and choose that. Then I'm going to go ahead and click generate video and allow the AI to do its thing. Now let's just sit back, give it a couple of minutes to generate, and let's see what it's going to do. As you can see, it's going through a couple of phases. It's going through the analyzing phases, the thinking phases, and it's going to create that video afterwards. So let's allow it a few minutes and let's see what the AI done for us. And there you have it guys, the video is finished generating. Now we can simply go ahead and play that video and see what it has done. Let's go ahead and
As the
play it.
golden sun slowly descended over the glistening Mediterranean Sea, the party boat off the coast of Ibiza sprung to life with the infectious sounds of music, contagious laughter.
It's really interesting. We can even download our video as well guys. So if you want to download your video, it's very easy. It will take you right into the back end here where you can find an MP3 video clip where you can simply click and download. Keep in mind that if you want to download this video in a higher quality, you need to have the Vidnose Pro. Now as you can see, I quickly downloaded my video there guys, and I have that video. Now keep in mind that the more unique your prompt is the better quality video it will generate for you. Now I give it a simple prompt and you can see what
As
it
the
has done
golden
for
sun
me.
slowly descended over the glistening
Now as you can see, this is the party boat, a beautiful sunset on the beach, and that's in Ibiza. So you can see I did something really simple and I just get what I've asked it for.
Mediterranean Sea,
But I'm
the
sure you
party boat
guys can create some amazing stuff with this. But have a look at that. Really
off the
amazing, right?
coast of Ibiza sprung to life with the infectious sounds of music.
And that's it guys. That's how to use text to speech to create any video that you want with the power of AI using Vidnose tool. Guys, as you can see, your Vidnose can create some amazing things. So it doesn't matter what you want, head over to vidnose.com, check out AI free tools, and you will see a ton of different tools that you can use absolutely free. Go ahead, head over to vidnose.com and you can check it out guys.